Hello everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to fix Instagram automatically zooming in on your photos when you upload them. If your images are getting cropped or zoomed in too much, follow these tips. First, check Instagram's aspect ratio. Instagram uses a 1:1 square format by default, but you can upload photos in different aspect ratios. When you select a photo, tap the expand icon, the two arrows, on the bottom left corner of the image. This will prevent Instagram from zooming in and let you upload the full image. If Instagram keeps zooming in on your photos, you can use a photo editing app like Canva or Adobe Photoshop Express, or you can use just your phone's editing tool to resize your image to a square 1:1 or portrait 4:5 aspect ratio before uploading. This ensures the whole image will be visible. The next step is to clear the cache or reinstall Instagram. If you're using an Android device, go to Settings, Apps, tap Apps again, and find Instagram, Storage, and tap Clear Cache. For iPhone users, uninstall and reinstall the app from the App Store. This can help resolve any temporary glitches that might be affecting image uploads. Next, make sure your app is up to date. Head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and check for updates. Instagram frequently fixes bugs that could be causing issues like this. Now, try uploading your photo again, and this time it should appear without zooming in. You can now enjoy sharing your pictures without any cropping issues. And that's it. By following these steps, you will be able to fix Instagram zooming in on your photos. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!